vast syllabus, no one standard book to read, and a lot of exam stress mounting towards the end. What would be a right strategy to crack your CUET PG examination to get into a dream university in your own specialized subjects? Now, what is very, very important is go through the syllabus in detail. Now, as per the syllabus, the content is curated specifically for your CUET PG with the help of PYQs and the content which is obviously asked for your examination. So, based on that, what is important is practice. The more you practice, the better concentration you would have and better ability to appear for your examination. You can see now CUET PG allows you to appear in 4 of the subjects, but we would recommend that you practice at least one subject to your best so that you can get into one of the best universities for your master's program. Now sometimes it's also seen that visual learning is more important as compared to simple reading the text. So with the help of video lectures you can find that at a more convenient space. So these video lectures across each of the subjects would help you understand the concepts with better clarity. What is really important these days is also the changing paper patterns as well as the kind of questions which are asked, which generally relate to contemporary questions as well. So focusing a lot on contemporary aspects has been a key point that we try to maintain. And once you have registered for a course, you would have the option to get a resolution to any doubts you have by clicking the questions tab. So with that click of the questions tab, you would be able to reach to the subject expert and they would help you answer your query as soon as possible. So you can simply raise the query through the portal itself and you would get the reply back on your emails. So with this, you can have your doubts resolved, rule out the confusions, and gain more confidence closer to the exam. So, closer to the exam, it's really important you practice the PYQs well. If you have covered the study material from different references, it's well and good. But if not, and you want a concise material, a systematically arranged material for every topic of your syllabus, then definitely you can refer the link that we have provided. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back on the number below. Thanks for joining in. Have a wonderful day.